Hi friend, my name is Myra with Vial Designs, and in this channel I create easy to follow hand lettering and calligraphy tutorials. In this video I'm going to share with you 5 different ways that you can letter October in calligraphy, and I hope this gives you some ideas so you can incorporate these different calligraphy and lettering styles into your bullet journal, and also just for practice, because lettering the same word in different ways can help you to develop your calligraphy style. For this worksheet I'm going to be showing you with the Monoline Studio Pen 03 and the Tombow Fudenowski brush pen. You can use any pen that you have for the fall calligraphy part, and then any small size brush pen. First way that we're going to be lettering October in calligraphy is fall calligraphy, which basically you can use any pen that you have handy for this one. The second day to letter October in calligraphy, we're going to do a basic modern calligraphy style. If you want to learn more about this, I have a full video over here, as well as a printable workbook. The goal for these worksheets is for you to practice as much as you can. You don't have to follow them exactly, but it will give you an idea of how to make your letters better. The third way that we're gonna letter October in calligraphy is with a bounce calligraphy style, and if you see here, some of the letters are some of like bouncing off the page compared to the basic style where all the letters are in the baseline. The fourth way that we're going to letter October in calligraphy is with a Flourish calligraphy style, and then this one we're basically adding some embellishments to some of the letters. And then the last way that we're going to be writing October in calligraphy is with this block lettering style. There you have it. These are the 5 ways that you can letter October in calligraphy. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite.